Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It. It is Tuesday. We're in August. This year is flying by so super fast. Today for our manicure, I don't know, it just had me stumped overnight, so they're trying to figure out what am I going to do? What am I going to do? I had some nail block going on. Seems to be happening a lot to me lately, but I was going through all my nail art supplies, and I decided on these little water decals. I think they're delicate, that's for certain. Once they become wet and, away from the backing there, they're so delicate. They'll fold over on you in a heartbeat. Place ones like this, definitely always with a stamper, never tweezers. Stamper will be your best friend, so that's what I'm going to do. And some beautiful pink frosty nails. I don't know if you can see these. Hello! It is Ice Bar by ModelOnes. Love, love, love this color. We're going to put one more coat on. It's got 2 coats on so far. We're going to go for a third, just to see if we can get some more shine. Not shine, what am I saying? Some more sparkle out of it, some more opacity. Love, love, love the color. These came in a set of 21 bottles, I believe it was, called the Fashion Collection. I had these up on my channel for a review. Can't remember how far back. So you're going to have to do a search of my products, my videos, and look. Sorry, with the program I'm running, I cannot put in end cards, and I don't have access yet to a computer to do so. Making sure all my little gems down here, I'm flipping them over by accidentally touching them on the mat. We're going to pop this baby in the lamp. Okay, we are fresh out of the lamp. These are some beautiful pink sparkly little nails we have here. I have got my She Modern palette. I have got my Beauty Big Bang stamper. That's what I'm going to be putting some decal on with. Clean my stamper really quick. This is an old stamper that I use just for set items, because I do it a lot with my She Modern videos. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Now, I've rearranged all my implements and everything. Dinah's still proud of me, I'm sure, because I arranged them all and they were all mixed together on my brushes and files and scissors and ink, not ink pens, but just all my different brushes, and now I can't find what I need. I'm not used to everything being separated on me. I'm used to everything being in one container. And now I can't find the item. My rubber silicone, what's it called? My cuticle pusher thingy. Let's look in the old one and see if it's in here. Aha! There it was. See? There we go. Look where it used to be, and there it was. I found it. Take said item and rub it on your decal just to make sure there's no water bubbles or air bubbles. I did score some decal before I placed it on the nail, before I soaked it in it. I scored twice on each side, and that means I took itty-bitty little scissors and cut some little slits in it, because our nails are not flat, ladies. Why you keep insisting on trying to put decals and stickers and such on your nails without scoring them is beyond me. Your nails are not flat, they are curved. Even with the slightest, you need to score them. They will adhere to your nails so much better than if you didn't do it. So please, take my instructions, my word, whatever you want to call it, and score your decals and stickers and such. So now, we're going to take Top Coat by... Ooh. This is a steel top coat, but it says Leaf U here at the bottom. See on the back here it says sub-brand of ModelOnes. So we're going to take, I don't even know if you'll be able to see this on the nail. Well, we're going to take our chances. We're going to take some top coat. A liberal amount, but not too liberal. And place you some gems. Gotta have that bling, right, ladies? I can't even see that with this polish. So let's rearrange these just a little bit. Oh, I can barely see these. Can you see them? Can you see them on the nail? Oh, I can see them now. Beautiful, huh? Very beautiful. I just hope they're straight. I hope they're straight. Yeah, there's nothing even on my picker-upper that I'm trying to put. There we go. Gonna finish top coating the nails. You want to be sloppy Susie now, but get you, you know, a nice amount on. Hope everybody's having a great day today so far, that your day will continue to be as blessed. So place the gems however you, whoops, I dropped it. Yep, my thing's gotta be wet because it's not picking them up. Sorry, I can't see. I can't see. I think I keep getting top coat on my picker-upper because it's not picking them up. We'll try this one more time. And I think I just lost a gem down the front of me. Not cool. So we got one more to do. There we go. Here we go. I'm going to pop this in the lamp and I will be right back. Alright, we are back. We cured and my gem, sorry for the hobble and the bobble. My gem here slid off to the side during putting it from here, my desk to the lamp. I'm so bummed out. The manicure is so beautiful. So beautiful. Love the new rings. They got a new knuckle ring for Harley. This is, I'm going to be giving this to my niece. 2 elephants with their trunks linked together. And I have one that I wear. It's a turtle. I wear it on my index finger. It's really cute. But right now she's sporting it, just, you know, because it looks good. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about my manicure. I know my gem placement's a lot since it slid, but, you know, cut me some slack. And I did also put some on the thumb. I don't know why I always put it on the thumb, but I do. I think the decal looks really beautiful on with the polish. Let's see. If you're new here, please subscribe and click that bell. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. And have a blessed day. Thank you.